Hi friends, today we are on the Hazard Peak Trail in the Mondanao Diaro State Park. We are there. We have our beach. It is almost like 10 to 15 minutes of drive away from San Luis Obispo. It's a very good place where we can hike and also bike in these areas. There are a lot of people who have come here today to do the biking or to enjoy the trails. So that side we have the beach on that side, and the trail starts on this particular spot. So we are be starting from here. We'll be going on this trail, and we'll try to cover as much as we can. What I heard is this particular trail is almost 3 hours. The Hazard Peak Trail is almost 3 hours, and it is not. The name is not given because it is a problematic trail, but it is named after Alexander Hazard, and that is how this trail name got as Hazard Peak Trail. So we will walk on this trail and see how good it is, and we'll also take some views from the top onto the beach and see how it goes. So this is a trail that we take, and we have parked our car on that side of the trail. There is a lot of like 10 to 15 parking spots here on this trail, on the parking area. So this is very good. There are a lot of car parked here, so hopefully there will be people walking on this trail today. Okay friends, we have completed like 10 minutes now of our walking. We have it is a very good walking trail, and we have seen a lot of bikers here. I have not seen any people walking on this trail till now. A lot of bikers here, so that is good. And we have almost covered 0.5 miles. We have covered 4.5 miles. If you see that side, as we know, it is the ocean there, and on this side, if you see, there is a lot of hill on this side. And I believe, Abhay, that is Valencia Peak. Do you see that? I think that is the Valencia Peak that we covered. That is the top of Valencia Peak on that side, right?
And I believe that's Peak over there then.
Yeah, that's a peak over there where we used to go, Valencia Peak. And here, I believe, correct me, maybe I would be wrong. Should we go to the top and then come down that way, or are we supposed to come back this way? I don't know. I'm just trying to guesstimate it, but the 3 hours could be, it is very long. It's a very long distance to cover. I'm not sure how far we will be able to cover these and come back. Let's try our best. As of our current understanding on the site, it is like 3 hours walk. We'll try to cover a little faster and reach back, but let's see how it goes. And today I have with me Abhay, so he is on the video, taking the video. So Abhay, shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So we have covered like 20 minutes. We started like 20 minutes back, and we are, after covering 20 minutes, we will come to a place where there is a lot of shade and a lot of eucalyptus trees here, and we are going through that track area. One thing is like today's climate. Today's climate is really sunny, and it is a very good climate. The temperature is 59 degrees, and it is cool, no wind, and it is very good to come on to this kind of trail on such a day. So it is very good, and this place looks to me like there is nobody who comes here for walking. I have not seen anybody till now. I have seen a lot of people using their bikes. So I feel like it is a very good spot for people who are interested in biking. So that's a very good thing. There is a lot of good places. There is a lot of sand on the trails, and it is very good. It is very good to enjoy this whole walking. So I am enjoying the walk that I am doing here now. It is very good. So I would assume if you are interested in coming to this area for walking, you will also definitely enjoy this walking on this trail. Full of sand, right, Abhay?
Yeah.
This area. But there are a lot of trees here, eucalyptus trees.
So, if you look over there, you can see Morro Rock. And there's also 3 pillars over there, which is over there at Morro Bay. So, yeah, go.
How are you liking this walk, Abhay?
Good.
Yeah, one thing that I found, Abhay, it is more of bushes and a lot of what to say, plants around. That is good. Most of the time when we go for hiking, we don't see that kind of trees or plants on our trails, but this is good. What I said, we are not seeing any people walking on these trails. It's more of kind of a biking trail. One of the interesting thing here is, what I felt is like there is a lot of hills. As we know, this area is covered with a lot of hills. We can see a lot of mountains here around us. One side we have the ocean and the other side is full of hills. So that is the beauty of this place on this trail. Yeah, definitely it is a very good trail for biking, but I don't know how hard it is when you bike up, but going down is really exciting, right, Abhay?
Yeah.
So this is where we came from, and if you see there is a road that we drove, and I think we have parked somewhere there. I see a lot of people walking on this place. So I think that is the area where we started off with. We covered all these places. See, there are 2 horses coming, Makla. You see that? There are two people coming on horses. That is good, very nice, right? To see that. And we came over on through these eucalyptus trees, and we climbed all the way up, and we are here now. And what I understand from Abhay is we have to go up all the way, and somewhere I don't know how we are going down. He says that we have to go down through those road. I see 2 people coming through that road. Do you see that, Abhay? So I don't know, like whether we'll be going through that road or we'll be coming back to the spot. You're sure?
Yeah.
For sure? Okay, let's see how we goes. Maybe you are right. I have never come here. You have come here for biking. Let's see. Let's continue. But I want to enjoy, and I believe you are also enjoying this trail with me. And one good thing is like we saw one person walking on this trail. I'm so happy. I was thinking that we are the only people who are walking on this trail, and all others are bikers. I'm so happy for that. and you should see one eagle. There is one eagle flying so nicely on this mountain. So happy. We'll see how it goes. We are enjoying our walking. I hope all of you as well will enjoy walking, seeing us walking on these trails, and one day you will also find time to walk on these trails. And that place is the beach everyone goes to. And
We're at the spot.
at the spot, okay, we are almost at the spot. So that is a beach where you normally come with family and enjoy with your family on Montana de Oro. And this trail is on Montana de Oro. Abhay says we have reached the spot. I don't know, where is it? Where is that, Abhay? Uh-huh.
Or that way. And if you go that way,
Yeah, there's a lot of people there. Look.
there's a bunch of zigzags, and you go down all the way.
Oh, is it? Good. Good. There are a lot of bikers. You might see there are a lot of people coming, biking up. Wow. Abhay, this is a very good biking spot, Abhay.
I've been here before.
I think people go up on the bike, right? Okay, well, let's see how we want to take that turn. So we are here. This is a spot where most of the people come here and then decide what is their next step. So this is the trial towards the Hazards Peak Trail. This is to the top. We met one person here and he talked about a little bit about this place. He said this is the trial and it takes another same distance that we covered, which is like another 45 minutes roughly to reach the top, and the view from there is very good. That is what he said. We will not be able to go up today because Abhay has a soccer game or they want to have a game today afternoon. So we want to go back so that we will reach there before his soccer game. So we will not go up because it may take another 45 minutes and then coming back another 30 and then go down to our car. It will take another 30. So it will be a long distance. So we are from here we can go down. This is that area. We will reach the Islay Creek Road. From here another 2.2 miles we will reach Islay Creek Road, and on that other side there is Reservoir Flats Trail. So you can see the board here. That's what it is written right here. It is the Canyon View Trail. So that is what we are going to take, so that we will go back through this trail and we will reach our parking spot. That's what we are going to do now. And the person told that we will be walking through those roads. Let's see how interesting it will be to walk on those roads. So that is what we are going to do now, so that we can reach back in another 45 minutes hopefully, and then we will take our car and go back to our home. So let's go back to this bay. Come on.
Hello guys, so now we're over here at a bench, and over there there's a says Vista Point, and if you go that way there's a bunch of benches here too. And so we started from up there, and as you can see there's some people up there, and so we went down that way, and if you look over there, you can see that we came down that way and came over here. And so if you go here you can go a bunch of zigzags and going that way, and at one point we're going into the road and then just go that way to Montana de Oro. But this place is great for mountain biking, I would say. There's a lot of berms. The berms are very nice. They're made specifically for mountain biking, I'm guessing. But yeah, they're really nice. Other than that, it's a good spot. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a very good spot, Abhay. It's a very good spot to sit, relax, come get ourselves relaxed, and then start moving. Right? So it's a very good spot. I think this is a very good area. Lot of bikers, right, today? If you see, a lot of people who are coming ready for biking. People are going up into the Hazard Peak Trail and they are enjoying. This is a very good spot. And we saw 3 people. We first saw one person coming for walking, and now we saw 3 people walking on this trail. But majority, like I would say, like 50, more than 50 people on bikes.
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe around 30.
30? Okay. I would say it was like good amount of people who are using these trails for their biking, and they are enjoying their bikes. So very good, right? Very good place. Yeah, I was telling Abhay that okay, this since we didn't go to the Hazard peak, we should consider this as a level 1. Next week we will go up the hill. As I mentioned, since we couldn't complete the trial going up, we will next week again come here and we will go up and see the beauty from the top. So that is what we will be doing next week. This week we will continue and complete this Hazard Peak Trail and close out this trial for today. Right, Abhay?
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Shall we go?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. So this is Vista Point. Just to, I believe, people can come and sit, relax, and do their relaxing moments and enjoy the climate and the beauty of this Hazard Peak Trail. Yeah, it's a very good spot. So that is a spot where people go up to Hazard Peak Trail to complete the trial, and that is a spot where people meet and decide on their next steps. So this is the Vista Point spot. It's cool, right? We have almost covered 40 minutes, 25 minutes from the top, and we are here, and if you see the mountains here, it's really awesome. And we have almost a lot to go. I think there is a lot more to go to reach our parking. I think this distance is much more, but let's see how it goes. The mountains are so good. I mean, did you take all these mountains? Look at the Valencia Peak on the top, right? Look, a lot of people are there on that Valencia Peak by hiking. This is
Yeah.
So we came through this trail down, and this trail down is from the Hazard Peak Trail, and we came down. I think we took how much? We might have taken at least 45 minutes to come down. I think we have another 20 more minutes to go this road, this trail. So this trail is what we are going to take so that we can reach the parking spot. And from here to the top, it is the Hazard Peak Trail. We have 2.2 miles to the top. So that is what is written here. So we have come all the way down, and so we will be going to this spot. This is a flat trail, very flat. There is no hike, I believe. So it is a very flat trail that we will be taking. Is it towards Oaks Peak?
I
don't know.
Probably if you go that way, you can probably reach to Oaks Peak.
Yeah, he said that here it is reservoir flat trail. So this is like the Montano DRO State Park. Can you come this side and show this map? Yeah, so we are here. We are here at this spot, and I don't know which direction. Where did we came from? This is Aile Hill Creek, and
There's Peak over there.
Hazard Peak is here. I think we came. This is the Valencia Peak. This is the reservoir flat trail, I don't know. We need to go and find out how we will reach back to our parking spot. Anyway, let's see. Let's see whether we'll go through this way. I hope we will. It will take us to the main road.
It's this road right here, Islay Creek Trail Road.
Yeah, this is Islay Creek Road. But we came. I believe we might have come through these trails. But I don't know how we reached here. And this is the Islay Creek Road. I don't know whether we are going through this way, this road, dotted road. Let's find out anyway, right? We see people going down, so let's walk through this trail. But here it is the bluff trail, so this is the parking here. It is mentioned this is the parking here. So hopefully this road, I don't know,
This road takes us to over here.
that is not what
Yeah,
we'll be doing. Anyway, let's see.
that's where it takes it to.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. This is the Islay Creek Road is what I feel. This road is Islay Creek Road. So we should be going here and it should go take us here, I believe. Right?
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. Let's walk. Go. Let's go through these and enjoy. Better way?
Mhm.
Yeah, this is a route that we came till now through the Islay road, Islay Creek Road, and we are going towards this road. We are almost there. I think we are near to the Montana Dioro camping area. That is somewhere there. It is somewhere there on that spot. So we are almost there. We should reach the beach soon. Hoping that we will be reaching soon. We are just walking on this Islay Creek Road. It's a very good place here. It is very nice. It is not a hike or anything that you would anticipate here. It's just a road that you can just easily walk and complete the trail. So we are, I think this should end up somewhere near the bluff trail. Do you see that tree there? I have seen that tree near to our bluff trail. Abhay. Do you remember? No? Let's walk fast. Let's see whether we will be reaching that spot in another 2 minutes. Can you try that, Abhay?
2 minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's try that. But it was good, right? Look at these side rocks.
Yeah.
Did you feel tired during the trial?
Well, I didn't feel tired, but my legs kind of felt tired.
Is it?
Yeah.
I never felt tired of it.
They got sore.
Is it?
Yeah, my legs.
The thing is, like, we are almost walking for somewhere around 2 hours now, right?
More, I think.
Yeah, more than that, because we took almost like 10 minutes rest on the spot, right? Do you see what he did?
Yeah.
What?
It moved the bike and then it would make noise.
Shake the bike, right? Why?
So then it wouldn't be annoying.
What?
That bell is kind of
So that the bell will ring and it will inform the people that somebody is coming on a bike. Huh?
That's an e-bike.
Is that an electronic bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you should get one.
Why?
Because you don't like going uphill.
Abhay, you are naughty. So there are a lot of trials here, right? There are a lot of trials, and people come on this trial for biking and walking, and hello, and we saw two of them on the horse too. So I believe not on these areas, but on near to the Hazard Peak Trail beginning. So I think people can come on horses too if they are interested. So this is a very good spot, but it is a very long spot as well. Not hard, very cool walking, no steep up trails where you will get tired so soon. So it is very cool. Right away?
Yeah.
So finally, we have completed the Aile Creek trail,
Road.
and we reached the beach. This is the road. The road that you see here is the road which takes us to the beach. We have parked somewhere on the other side, so we will be taking. We have to walk a little bit on that side. Once we come through this trail, we have to walk a little bit on the other side to get into our car. So let's go fast. We have almost covered. I would say we have almost covered 2 hours and 31 minutes for the overall trial. By the time we reach there, it should be like 45, 2 hours, 45 minutes. So it is very good walking trial. We have seen maybe roughly less than 10 people who are walking, and almost roughly like
I think there might be more than 10.
yeah, almost like 40 to 50 people who are on the bike. So this is a very good biking trail is what I assume. I have not seen that much people biking on other trials. This is like 30 to 40 to 50 people, and we can easily see the Valencia Peak from here. And Valencia Peak was so good. We could see from here a lot of people hiking on the Valencia Peak as well. You might see the Valencia Peak trial video on which we have already posted on YouTube.
I think that was our first video, right?
Yeah, we can link it, right? We can link it on my video
Description.
So, yeah, so it is really good to see a lot of people coming out and taking their safety measures, and coming out and going on these trials, trying to keep their body in good condition. So that is really good. So we have almost reached the end of this trial. Now I think we have to walk on the road a little bit to reach our apartment. Yeah, so this is 3 miles. This is called Aile Creek Trail. This is a 3 miles Aile Creek Trail. So we can go from here. We can start from here. This is Aile Creek Trail. We can touch the Hazard Peak Trail, and we can climb up, and maybe we can come down through that way as well. So this is the into Aile Creek Trail. So hi friends, so we have concluded our walking today. The trail was so good, very awesome. We had never had to walk on a very steep trail. It was not that tiring. We could walk easily on the trail. When we started off, there was good eucalyptus shades, but almost like 80% we don't get shade. mostly it is, if it is really sunny, it will be really tough. But if it is not, today it was not that sunny, or it was really tough to walk. It was not windy, it was cool. We could walk all the way up. We reached a spot where everybody, I think everybody meets that particular spot. We meet there, and then we can decide whether we need to continue on the Hazard Peak Trail, or whether we need to go into the Canyon trail. And we took that route because we wanted to complete this trail sooner. So we took that route. It was lengthier than what we thought. We reached the Iley Creek Trail and walked on the road, and we reached through to that particular spot, which as an exit. And it is not that far away from the parking. The parking is very near, so we could walk on the road back to the parking. So this is the road that we took, and our parking is very close to that. Parking is very close to here. There are a lot of people today came for hiking. So it is very good. It is a very nice day for people to enjoy, have fun, and enjoy these days. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.